Here's why your Mercedes-Benz engine is making ticking sound while idling in Glendale. Engine can generate the power for starting and moving the car efficiently on the road. A well-functional engine is running without making any strange sounds even during acceleration, idling. To run the engine with top-notch performance, you need to take proper care of it. Due to several reasons, the engine of your Mercedes-Benz is making a ticking sound while idling. The following points define the reasons behind the ticking noise produced in your Mercedes-Benz while idling. Low engine oil level. When the engine is producing a ticking noise while idling, you should check the oil dipstick in the engine bay. If the oil level is below the minimum level, then the engine causes a ticking noise. Unadjusted valves. The valves open and close simultaneously in the car when the engine spins around. Due to an unadjusted valve train, you will hear a ticking sound from the engine while idling. Engine wear. If the engine components are worn out, it will make a ticking noise such as exhaust manifold leak, high pressure in the exhaust, leaks in the gasket. If you hear any type of dangerous noise from the engine, you have to get it fixed as soon as possible. Worn out drive pulley. Thus, the drive pulleys of the engine in your Mercedes-Benz are using the bearings to spin. Over time, the bearings are worn out and cause an annoying ticking noise at idle. Loose spark plugs. Generally, the spark plugs in the car are sealing the engine's combustion cylinders. When the spark plug is loosened, the gas is leaking out of the cylinder and produced a ticking sound. Conclusion. Apart from the above points, the ticking noise is also produced in a car for many other reasons. If your Mercedes-Benz is producing a ticking noise while idling, then bring it to a reputed mechanic for diagnosis and repair.